Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix StarSavior game crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, or launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here for the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart client. So you have to close this client. So simply close it and then again relaunch it by clicking the play button and then check. If that doesn't work, then restart Steam. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then again relaunch the Steam app and then launch the StarSavior game and check. If that also doesn't work, then restart your PC once. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to update the graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, restart your PC once and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on StarSavior game and then select properties. Go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then click on play button. Let the launcher to launch and then click on verify integrity. It will ask you, do you want to verify the integrity of game files? Simply click on OK and let the verification to be get completed. Just wait. And once the verification get complete, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on StarSavior, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. So first of all, double click this StarSavior exe file and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes. Simply uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the StarSavior game folder. Then select this StarSavior exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the StarSavior game folder. Select this StarSavior exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. So look for it, StarSavior. Here it is. And make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11, -d3d11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on StarSavior, select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11 first, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again right click on the game, select properties, this time type -d3d11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to properties, remove the launch options and then simply enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it, then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the StarSavior game folder, select StarSavior exe file, click add. Now look for the StarSavior in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select the high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix it is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to delete the StarSavior saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings, so keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the StarSavior saved game folder. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, open local low folder, and here look for the studio B side folder, open it, and here you will see the StarSavior folder. First right click it, copy it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup, and after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, click on Windows update on the left and then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available, then download and install them, and after installing the update, just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall StarSavior game from your PC, restart your PC, reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve StarSavior game crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue or launching fail problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.